This will be a look at the new video camera, which is right here. A little large, but that's how. There's the camera lens right there. It might go on something like there, and then put the 9-volt up on the top like so. Mount the camera up against the side. Can't put it on the bottom because you can't land on it. And see how that may or may not work. Everything's got to be complicated. It's not real heavy. It's pretty light. Probably put some double-sided tape there. Can't put it on top because the rotors will knock it off. And it's powered by a 9